Hi, this is Ed Gonfidini. Today I'm going to do is give you a mini tutorial on edge banding and trimming, finishing of drawer sides. Here we have a stack of drawer sides. Tops have been edge banded, they've been dadoed, marked. It's very simple. Use a spiral cut so as it cuts down, much less chipping and problems. Safety glasses. Check to make sure that the glue has held, that it doesn't need a touch up with the iron. Then we take the rough side of the file, approximately 45 fingernails. It'll tell you how much you've got. Square the edge. Then you take your scraper. Cabinet scraper is a very nice tool. Doesn't scratch. What it does is takes off any glue residue you might have. Always keep your file clean. And then you've got a fine side, and what you can do there is you can just, boom, just touch it like that. And now you've got a beautiful edge. Now that, see, I just felt that, I caught that. Always testing. Give that just a little heat. And you're good to go. Bingo. One done out of hundreds. Repetition is the mother of skill. End of this day's lesson.